Hi, I'm Paula Falinger. I teach second grade at Wescosville, and I'm here to help you with your H Drive. Accessing the H Drive on your Mac is very easy. It's just one click away. If you take a look down at the dock, you're going to see that there is a globe icon down here. All you're going to do is click on that globe, and it is going to open up your H Drive, and you'll have all of your files and all of your folders with your information that you have saved in your documents. One good thing about saving to the H Drive, remember, is that it's backed up on a server. So if your computer crashes or something happens, you won't have to worry about losing those documents. You can also access the H Drive from home. Unfortunately, you won't be able to click the globe. What you'll have to do is you'll have to go to the East Penn School District website, eastpennsd.org, and what you're going to want to do is click on the Employee Portal at the top right corner, and then you're going to see all of your options. The option that you want to click is called Class Link. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to have to enter your username and your password. And once you do that, you are going to be taken to a screen that shows you your options. The option that you want to pick is in the upper left corner called My Files. So you're going to click on My Files, and then that is going to take you to this page here, the school network. What you're going to want to click on is Home Folder. You can click on it over here on the left side, or you can click on the folder icon over here. The Home Folder is your H Drive, and you're going to find the same documents and folders that you'd find on the H Drive if you were accessing it at school. Hopefully you found this helpful, and good luck.